Minimalism isn't one size fits all. And I'm sure you've all heard me say it enough times that you don't need to live with just one chair and a toothbrush to be a minimalist. And there are actually many types of minimalism. So in today's video, we're breaking them down to help you figure out which style fits your lifestyle, or maybe you're more than one. The first one, aesthetic minimalism. This is the one you see all over Instagram: white walls, clean lines, and lots of empty space. Aesthetic minimalists value beauty and calm in their surroundings. But remember, just because it looks minimal doesn't mean it's a clutter free or stress free space, especially when all the clutter is the same color. Number two, essential minimalism. Essential minimalists focus on functionality. They only keep what they use. It's not about looks and more about efficiency. If something doesn't serve a clear purpose or there's multiples of something, it's out. I love this one because it makes me feel so free from owning too much stuff, and I love being more connected to my things, making me more grateful for what I have. Next, number three, eco minimalism. This version is all about sustainability. Eco minimalists choose to live with less to reduce their environmental impact. Think reusable, like bags, napkins, containers, secondhand items, and conscious consumption, whether that's clothes or food. Number four, digital minimalism. Tired of doom scrolling? Digital minimalists cut the noise by limiting screen time, deleting non essential apps, and being super intentional about how they engage with tech. They're also more likely to keep their inbox and desktop clean and clutter free on a regular basis rather than letting it accumulate and then decluttering. Moving on to number five, nomadic minimalism. These are the folks who can fit their lives into a backpack or suitcase. Nomadic minimalists value freedom and experiences over stuff. It's not for everyone, but for some, it's the ultimate form of minimalism. I actually have a friend who's living the nomadic life. Comment down below if you're watching. He's having the time of his life. For me, I think ever since I packed up my Ford Fiesta and moved to another state, it really changed my relationship with stuff. And I liked the idea of being able to just fit my whole life into small cars and have the ability to go anywhere. And lastly, number six, mindful or spiritual minimalism. This type focuses on mental clarity and emotional peace. The goal here isn't to just declutter your space, but to declutter your mind. It's deeply connected to self awareness and inner growth. And this is another one of my favorites. And I believe that when you integrate the mindful part of minimalism with the decluttering part of it, you really reap the benefits of minimalism as a whole in all parts of your life. Okay, so how do you choose what kind of minimalist you want to be? Step one, identify your why. Ask yourself, why do you want to simplify? Is it for peace of mind, to save money, to live more sustainably? Step two, observe your struggles. Are you overwhelmed by physical stuff, burned out by screen time, always chasing the next purchase, or all three? Step three, start small and mix if you want. Of course, you don't have to pick just one. You might be a digital and eco minimalist. Minimalism is flexible, so try different elements and see what sticks. For me, I'm definitely a little bit of all six. And that's all I have for today. If you found this helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments what type of minimalist are you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. I'll see you guys later. Bye.